Okay, day 2, July 19th. We took all the junk that was stored in here out of the cabin and took all the shelves down, and then we pressure washed all night long last night until 1 in the morning. But it came pretty clean. We used the Ryobi pressure washer from Home Depot for $1.99, and it worked really well. I was actually super impressed. I never used a pressure washer before, and I realized when I was doing it, this could probably take your skin off, and then my husband told me that he had a friend do the same thing. So I didn't go crazy on the floor. They had oil spills or something in here, and that wouldn't come off. But for the most part, we got it pretty good. And as far as in the house goes, we have COC. He's a plumber. He's putting in our tankless water heater, running a gas pipe, and we were supposed to have a water softener in, but I guess the wrong part came. So there's the pressure washer we used. It's awesome. Easy to set up. Worked awesome. Has 3 nozzles. One you can use for soap and light pressure, and then 2 other nozzles for heavier pressure. And that's our tankless water. Navian, something like that.
That's a good sound.
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hello. Hi.
Tore up the floor to put this on
Oh yeah.
from the gas line.
That's why we have.
Here's our kitchen. I mean, this house is run down. Pretty crazy. So my next step in the cabin is to seal the gaps. So we pressure washed. I'm also going to spray a natural bug repellent that I also got at Home Depot, and I really like it. It works. It'll actually kill black widows. I don't use bug spray outside, but I don't want black widows killing me and my family, so I use the natural bug spray inside so it doesn't poison us or our animals. And so I'm going to spray the bug spray all in the whole place because I don't want spiders falling on my head when I'm in here. So anyway, we're staying in the cabin until we can get our home all renovated. You can't really see too much of it. It's hiding there between the trees. But I decided I'm going to update as much as I can our progress. So I'm filling in the gaps with some big gap filler. It foams up, and also this one. And use rubber gloves when you do it. It'll get all over your hands, and it's hard to get off. Anyway, somebody did this one already. We're gonna take that out because it's protruding too far. And what we want to do is just fill in most of the gap and then fill the rest in with chinking. Chinking is what you use for filling in between cabins, the logs. So what's cool about this one, it's a hand-cut cabin from the 1800's. And I'm actually already excited. It's so hot outside. Yesterday was 90 degrees. It was just so hot, and it gets a little discouraging when you're in the middle of things. But walking into this now, after being pressure washed, is a a lot more hopeful. And I just have to keep reminding myself that it's just one step at a time. You can't do it all at once. Anyway, if you have done this before, have any comments, ideas, suggestions, what to do, what not to do, I would love to hear them. Also, we're wondering how to do the walls. Like, I would love to whitewash it. I know people don't like doing that to wood, but I like things nice and bright on the inside. We're gonna seal the wood on the outside just with linseed oil and bring out the natural color again. So we're not gonna do that to the outside, but the inside, I love things nice and bright. Also, we plan on Airbnb-ing this and using it for family and friends who wanna come stay. So, we're also, we'd love help. If you are in the area and you want to come out and help, or you just want to check it out, we would love that. That would be so fun to meet you. And anyway, have a great day. Oh, also, you can donate to the renovation of this 1800 cabin for restoring a historic home and cabin. We're going to put the money towards both of these. And I want to make a plaque of all the people who have donated. I'd like to say thank you to Leslie Reeder, who donated yesterday. Thank you so very much. It was so kind of you. And I'll turn it around. I didn't want to be on camera, but I'll turn it around because it's not fun to stare at a cabin the whole time. Anyway, thank you, Leslie. We're very grateful for that donation. So yeah, 100% of whatever's donated, I mean, even materials, if you have materials laying around that you know would work well for our house or our cabin in the restoration process, all donations are welcome. Help is welcome, definitely. And we would love to hear your comments and things and suggestions. So we are in Elsinore, Utah. And if you'd like to help out in any way, let me know. Just leave a comment. And thank you. And I will post my Venmo account if you would like to donate a cash donation. But just being able to share this experience, the reason we're doing this is so we can help others. We know that the times are crazy right now in this world. And we know God led us here for a reason. And it wouldn't be my first choice to do this. When I was 20, I would have loved this opportunity. But being 47, it's not as easy anymore. And I have a grandbaby, and my youngest kids are in their teens, and they're at their dad's house right now. And so it's hard. So they're at their dad's house while I'm renovating. But it's for them. It's for my family, my posterity. It's for friends. It's for strangers. We're doing this for everyone. We have 1.22 acres and 2 water shares. And that area is fenced for horses or cows or whatever you want to put back there. And we're going to, our dream is to build a barn, a pretty barn, for receptions, dances, whatever. Hold meetings and rent that out. But also, our main goal is to grow our own food, have some chickens and eggs, and have the community involved in doing all this, so we can give back to the people around here. Because we know that times are crazy right now, and Jesus is returning. And if you don't know that, he is. And we got to be prepared. And we want to be able to not only be prepared for me and my family, but for everyone we meet. Because when times are crazy, we want to be able to help other people. We don't want to have to turn anyone away. We know we can't help the whole world. So, but we got to do our part, each one of us. Anyway, God bless you. Thanks for watching.